Alright, so I'm going to be adding another reel right here, and just take you on a little walkthrough real quick. Super easy, pretty self-explanatory. Basically, this is one without a stack kit, so they just come single like this. You can buy these little stack kits for like $150. It's two stainless steel little things like this. I don't even know what it's called, but all you're gonna do is loosen this, and then you'll have a place to put in the nuts and bolts here to now mount another reel on top of the one that you have. So that one will go there. They come with these little nuts and bolts here. Alright, so I have one of them up. Make sure they're nice and sturdy. This side, or whatever side you have your lock in, you want to make sure that you put that back on after putting on this little bracket here. So it's in the hole. It's on top of the mounting bracket. And then I will mount it down. Alright, so we got that bracket up there. Got another one down here. Time to put this bad boy up there. And this one actually has nuts and bolts in there, so I'm about to take that out really quick, and then I'll be able to mount it. Alright, got it all mounted up. We started with just those two. We used the mounting bracket to put here on top of the second one, and just mounted the top reel. So we're gonna have 3 there, and my plan is to move this and have 3 right here as well.